What's going on YouTube? Chris back with another video. Today I'm going to be checking out the Spigen Thin Fit case for the Google Pixel 5. Now you can pick this up on Amazon between about $12 to $14. We have the white variant here. Now I picked this up, actually it was a gift for Christmas, so a big shout out to my brother for getting this to me, but I wanted to at least showcase this case for you to kind of let you know whether or not this case is worth you checking out and spending your money on. Now this is, they do have this in black and white, but nonetheless, I haven't been able to find a case that I've 100% enjoyed and want to keep long term. So hopefully Spigen, this changes everything. Hopefully, we'll see. So Spigen has been a well-known company in the accessory case factor for many years. So let's see if that expertise proves itself. So simple packaging, matte kind of papery plastic bag. So here we have the case itself. I'm not sure I actually like this two-tone design. I kind of wish that it was just completely one solid white versus kind of like this tan pink something. I'm not even sure what color this is. I guess that's tan. But anyways, this back is hard plastic, polycarbonate, and then around these sides and where the buttons are, this is a TPU rubber finish. So you have this kind of two type of material design morphed into one. You don't really feel the seams, you can kind of feel the seams, but it's not like drastic. It's very uniform, and that's kind of nice actually. So in the corners we have these kind of air cushions, which is going to be great for drop protection. So this will work with wireless charging, and then you have your Spigen branding down in this corner right in there are all your cutouts. This is pretty a simple case, straightforward. So let's go ahead and slap this in. Let's put buttons in first, and it sits nice and snug. So first takeaways on this, buttons feel real good. Very clicky, very easy to press. 100% I like that. You do have these little cutouts right in here. So dirt, dust, lint, grime is going to build up in there, especially around the buttons. So you are going to need to take your phone out from time to time to clean that. The cutout for the fingerprint scanner is a kind of small. It's pretty much form-fitting right around where the sensor is. I'd wish it was slightly bigger, but it is easy to find nonetheless. It does dip in right around in there. And then the camera cutout, you do have ample space right around the glass, so you are going to get protection there too. This is going to be the thinnest case that Spigen offers for the Pixel 5. They do have other cases as well that vary in protection. They have the liquid air. They also have then the tough armor and rugged armor. This here is of course the thin fit. They also have an ultra hybrid design, which is like a TP, like a clear case, but this I wanted because of the simplicity, thinness. I like this kind of hard plastic. I like because it's white, something different than just a black case. That's something that I do want. Now let's go ahead and go up to the front here real quick. So even with the tempered glass screen protector that I have, there is still some protection on the front glass, which is nice. So you are still going to get the drop protection face down, laying it on the table, what have you. So even if you don't have a tempered glass screen protector, you're going to get even more protection on top of that. In terms of up here at this top, I don't know why they have this kind of little cutout right in there. There's no earpiece on the Pixel because the earpiece is built into behind the display and it vibrates through the glass. But come to the bottom and you have nice ample cutout for your charging port. So you're going to be able to get a myriad of charging cables plugged in without issue as well. Now in terms of a feel finish, this doesn't add a lot of grip. This is a pretty slippery plastic back here, so do keep that in mind. But this TPU rounded portion of the top half of the case does add some grip that your hand will be against and gripping onto. So that is nice, at least. Buttons feel great, and overall, I like this. This is going to be the case I'm going to be rocking. I was using the case previously, being the Crave. You can check out that video up here. Was using that pretty much ever since I launched that video, and you can kind of see the discoloration of the color along the edges from grime oils of the hand. So unfortunately, that has started to not age too well. But hopefully this white does not have issues. I trust Spigen that the material will do just fine and hold up over time as well. So if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down in the comment section below. I'll help you out and answer any of those the best of my ability. Of course, I'll leave the links in the description, like I mentioned, where you can pick this case up, and as well as any other Spigen cases they have for the Pixel 5. Thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you all in the next video. Take care.